Hey, what's good, fam? Do you like coconut? Do you like brownies? Then you'll love this. Magic cookie bars, the best of both worlds. Easy to make. Here we go. All you're gonna need is a half cup of chopped nuts, 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 stick of butter, a cup and a half of graham cracker crumbs, 13 ounces of sweetened coconut flakes, and a 14-ounce can of condensed milk. We're gonna start off by melting down our butter, and we're just gonna pour it in there evenly in a 13 by 9 inch pan. Just like that. Spread it around nice and good. And now take those graham cracker crumbs and just sprinkle them over. Make a nice little bed of graham cracker crumbs. Nice and even. Boom, pop that can of condensed milk open. And we're just gonna pour it in. Nice and smooth, nice and even. Now keep in mind, every spot may not be covered depending on how you're pouring it, but that's fine. Now, take your chocolate chips and just sprinkle them about. Make sure you hit the whole surface so you have a chocolate chip in each bite, you know? Boom, once you do that, go ahead and get those coconut flakes and spread those out evenly. Sprinkle on those pecans or walnuts, whichever one you choose. And you can also put the peanuts in first before the coconut, because sometimes, you know, the peanuts will be going all over the place. Now we're gonna pop it in the oven at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. Once it comes out, go ahead and let it cool all the way down. And then you can cut it in as many bars as you want. I'm gonna go with 12 bars right now. And boom, just that quick, just that simple. Magic cookie bars. The kids gonna love it. You're gonna love it. And if you ask me, I think they call them magic cookie bars because when you make them, they magically disappear. But if you're feeling this, in the comments below, drop down magic cookie bars and I'll give you a shout out on my next video. Peace.